What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, JOSHABRAHAM. We back. 1 hour organic. 1 hour or organic. Mm-mm-mm-mm. One hour. 45 minutes. 30 minutes. 15 minutes. 20 minutes. Let's go. Okay. I have my organic chemistry exam tomorrow. And I have like 1 hour to prepare, and I have gotten a sample QP from the professor, and I feel like working on that could help. Also, I have received help. I also received some parts that could come up for tomorrow. Let's first discuss the question paper in it. Yes. First question paper. Is the keyboard being here good? Is it okay? Can I use it? I can use it, but my dominant hand is gonna go far. Is it okay? I guess it's okay. Organic chemistry exam, QP workout, yeah, whatever. So, the first question: name the following chemical substance and indicate whether each of the following structures has R or S configuration. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna draw these structures, and I'm gonna I'm gonna name them on my own, because naming could be CH3, CH2, whoa! CH2 BR. Okay, I've written the compounds. It's gonna be a good idea though. Nah, I don't think I could type down here. So the first question that I'm dealing with is substances and indicate whether each of the following structures has the R or S configuration. And I don't want you to answer fully. I just need to know the numbering for functional groups, especially when it comes to what? Figuring out R or S. Alkyne. Highest atomic number, higher priority. At Crazy Gaming, hi. Hello. Hello, Crazy Gaming. Hydrogen has the lowest priority. Which one gets more priority? T. Faizan Sajid, hi. Hello. CIP rules. Both are expanded the same way. First, what am I doing? Right now, I'm preparing for my exam. I have an exam tomorrow. I have 2 exams tomorrow. And right now I'm preparing for organic chemistry. I have organic and thermo. I have to keep on switching. How you doing, Faizan Sajid? Now compare. At first difference, COS highest priority, then C triple bond N. Ah. What's the syllabus? I don't know. Organic chemistry? Is that a syllabus? You're in class 12 and you have an exam. Crazy gaming? That's crazy. Which class? It's for university? But I could say it's like basic organic chemistry. So class 12 organic chemistry. Carbonyl. Which country I am from? I'm from South Asia. What type of test? Pen and paper. Pen and paper. Okay, I just count the man, which chapters like GOC? Is it A levels? Yeah, I would say it's A levels. It's basic organic chemistry. Like naming, substitution reaction, or something else. It's A levels, I would say. I learned these stuff when I was in 12th, so. You're from Pakistan, interesting. We're neighbors. I'm from your neighboring country. How is the priority given? Higher the atomic number, higher priority. Oh, okay, yeah. Higher the atomic number, higher the priority. We got bromine. Then we got chlorine. Yeah, basic organic chemistry. India, yes, correct. My accent is nice. Interesting. Yeah, the more you speak, I think for me it's easier to speak with this accent. If that makes sense. Okay. Best of luck, man. Respect. Best of luck to you too. Oh, that was not for you. It was for crazy gaming. But hey, good luck on the studies in general, bro. We got chlorine. Chlorine is having a lower atomic number, right? Compared to bromine. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We look at from this side. Anti-clockwise, or it's clockwise. Clockwise is R configuration, right? R longest chain 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 chain. So it's a pentane. I was CBSE class 12th. CBSE. Oh. What did I get? I got something like 80% or 79% or something for class 12th. Damn. It was COVID times. Not that, oh, because of COVID I got lower marks. I'm not saying that, but it was COVID times. You are right. I'm getting distracted with reading chats, not gonna lie. You gave JEE? No, I did give NEET. I did try NEET. Pentane. 1, 2, 3. Uh, 15 minutes already. So it's an R. 1 chloro. 1 chloro. 3 bromometal. Pent 3O. Yep, that's the right name, right? Did I get the naming right? Please tell me I get the naming right. R bromo. Why would you start with bromo? 2,3 dimethyl. 3 bromometal. Did you miss the chloro? I answered B. Okay, let me see B. 1 chloro, yeah. 2 bromometal. Bye, brother. Best of luck for your exam. I really appreciate that. Good luck on your exam too, brother. Or sister. It doesn't matter. It's not like it matters, but yeah. 1 chloro, 2 bromometal, pentane 3O. Why is it 2 bromo? 1, 2, 3. It's 3 bromo. Yeah, okay. 3 bromometal, 1 chloro. But the chloro should ABC. Oh, okay. Pentane 3O. Okay. I got that one. Next to this one. We got bromine. So 1. 2. So this thing looks like this, right? Or like this, okay. 1, 2, 3. No. Yo, Islamic Pat, what's up? Best of luck, appreciate that, bro. That's clockwise. Our configuration. Pentane. 3 bromo. 3, 4 dimethyl. Pentane. Yep, that's correct. Now this one, okay. There's a hydrogen attached on the opposite side. Longer chain 1. Or the alcohol gets more. That's also R. Again, R? That's again. R. Six. Hex. Hex. $20. Fuck. 3 2 O. Hept? How is it hept now? Okay, I did not draw the structure correctly. I did not draw the structure correctly, but if this is the structure, then okay. And I should also 4E. Bye, man. I have to study for my paper. Best of luck. Good luck to you too. Respect. Okay. Another doubt I have is how is the E part works? E and Z, right? E and Z. I forgot how that works. Damn, did I just pick my nose? Yes, I did. Each carbon of the double bond must have 2 different bond groups attached. Each carbon has 2 different groups. E and Z can be assigned. Assign priorities on each carbon. Use the CIP rules as R and S. Left carbon CH3 greater than H. Higher priority. Ignore the lower priority groups and only look at the highest priority on the left carbon. If they're on the same side of the double bond. If they are on the same side of the double bond. Ah. Entgegen. Ah. So that's the stereocenter. And this would be the double bond carbon. This carbon has an alcohol attached to it. How's this one named? Five carbon. Pentane. 2 chloro. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3. This is anti-clockwise, but if we switch it, it's gonna be clockwise. So 2R 2-chloro-pentane. I need to wash my face, goddammit. Fuck my hair on here. $140 subscribers. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, fam. Dambe. Yo, what's up? What's up, man? How we doing? Discord. I got 2 exams. I have 2 exams tomorrow. I'm scared. I am scared to death. But hey, we face. We face. We face. Oh. Copy. And my computer is getting really slow. I can feel it. And my only solution to my computer getting slow is water. Water. There's always water. I should draw this one. E, boom, 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 boom. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 heptane. Heptane. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4. R. It's all R configuration. R and E. 3R, 4E. Whoa. What is this? 3R, 4E. Hept. 4E. Three all. Hept 4 3 all. There we go. Three Z, 5S, non, 3 in, 1, wine, 1 ein, 5 O. Sa fucked up name. B. 1 R, 3 S, 1 chloro, 3 ethyl, cyclohexane. None. N-O-N-E. Nanine. Methyl, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane. Noinane. Noinane. So we got 9 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 carbon. Then we got, let's start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got an alcohol on 5. We got a triple bond on 1. And we got a double bond on 3. 1, 2, 3. That's here. Okay. And it's 3Z. 1, 2, 3. Zusammen. So what is the background? So it's Z, so it should be facing the same direction. And 5S, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. S configuration. Yeah, it's already F, S, okay. I have to redraw this part. Yep, that's correct. Now it's 3-cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. So we got a hexane, cyclohexane, closed ring. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's like a benzene, but without the. Oh, I forgot what's the name. The interchanging double bonds. Conjugated bond. Damn, my arrows are not it. Three ethyl. One chloro. One chloro. 3 ethyl cyclohexane. Wait. 1 R, 3 S. This part should be S. This is possible if one. I say. Yep. Please complete the reaction equation and give relative configuration of the observed products. So, this is the part where I'm kind of scared. Because I don't know. I could learn this, but somebody said yo. Hi no next yo. Yo, what's up? What's up? The next part is what you studying for? I'm studying for organic chemistry because I have an exam tomorrow and I'm scared. And the thing is, I don't know how to predict which reaction is gonna proceed and what the product could be. I'm guessing the compound, the solvent, etc. has a lot to do with prediction, but I don't know which induces and which interrupts. Celebi cell. Hi. Hello.
Hello, Celebi Cell. Hello, how you doing? How you doing, Celebi Cell?
That's an interesting name. Celly by cell. Cell by cell. Okay, not celly. This is actually the hardest part of the introductory organic chemistry course. It takes practice with your exam tomorrow. Don't try to memorize hundreds of reactions. Use the decision process. What up? Yo, I got an exam tomorrow and I'm kinda scared, but I'm preparing for it. I don't know shit though. Identify the functional group. Alkyl halide, alkene, alkyne, alcohol, carbonyl, carboxylic acid, ester. The functional group usually tells you what kind of reactions are possible. Look at the reagent. This is usually the biggest clue. Strong nucleophiles. Strong bases. Identify the substrate. For alkyl halides, primary SN2 usually, secondary SN2 or E2, tertiary SN1 or E1 or E2 with a strong base. Consider the solvent. This is fine-tunes your prediction. Polar favors SN1 or E1, protic, aprotic, DMSO, acetone, DMF favors SN2. You see, think alkyl halides versus alcohol, or OH minus nucleophile, SN1 if it's primary, or E2 if strong base or heat. Okay. Why are you not wearing clothes, bro? Good question. Very good question. I'll show you. The temperature 27. It was 30. It was 30 something just a minute ago, and it's still hot. It's hot as fuck. I should have a thermometer. He's feeling hot, that's why. Yeah, I know, right? I know I'm hot, but this is too hot. Oh yeah, how do you change it to degrees Celsius? Come on, Fahrenheit? Nah. What is this? You have to put, it's like a body thermometer, I guess. Use Gemini, it's free. Oh, yeah, Gemini is free, but ChatGPT is also free. What is this? LO. Yeah, because I'm cool. Ha ha ha. Thermodynamics. Good one, bro. Good one. Well, the only time I use the thermometer, it's not working. Body thermometer. I know, but the temperature is so high that it's literally body temperature. 95.8. How much is it? How much is 95.8? Be like aerodynamics. How much was it? 95.8? Shit, I forgot. $95.8 Fahrenheit to Celsius. Come on, DeepSeek, you got it. So that's like 35.4 degrees Celsius. I should say the temperature is about 35.4. That's how hot it is, 35.4. Feel the thrill at 35,000 feet. Can't go down for you. What do you mean by that, though? What you mean by that, though? Does that usually cause substitution, addition, or elimination? I don't know. So I got the. It's a. This one is a. Is a cyclohexane attached to a metal and bromine. What do you mean, man? Oh, I think that's for cell by cell. Even you know what I mean. No. I don't, bro. I don't know. I don't know. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? So, the cycle, I should name the compound, right? One bromo, one metal, cyclohexane. Bro, it's hot. Yeah, literally, it is hot. And the fact that I'm not sweating, my palms are sweaty, but I don't know what, it's so weird. It feels so weird that the temperature, the room temperature is same as body temperature. Accent is hotter. Oh. Just keep on talking, bro. So this cyclohexane reacts with the CH3 trice CO minus K plus. So this is a base. It's a nucleophile with the bulky metal groups attached. So that's a weak nucleophile, if I understand. And it's dissolved in again COOH, that is alcohol base, maybe base or what? I'll give you a question I have gotten. So the reactant is 1 bromo 1 methyl cyclohexane, and it's undergoing reaction with, oh fuck, I don't even know how to name it. CH3 trice. You have a test tomorrow. Yeah, unfortunately. Or fortunately. So I'm not gonna say. Decent has drag. Decent has drag. What is that? Did you misspell something? Because I don't get it. My brain is not. My brain is going a lot of places. A lot of places. K plus and let me know how can I predict this. Also, I would know if the things you are even saying, if the things you're saying is correct or not, because I have the answer. I'm threatening GPT. Have to watch bro from 2 devices. Why though? Why though? We could use 1 device. What's with the 2 device part? Am I too stupid not to understand what was it? Perfect. This is exactly the type of... Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, GPT. Ain't nobody give a shit. Is the carbon attached to bromine primary, secondary, or tertiary? The carbon attached to bromine is... So it's a tertiary carbon. So attached to 3 carbon, therefore tertiary alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. SN1 is possible, SN2 is... If you have knowledge about aviation, you would understand what I mean. Well, I don't have too much knowledge on aviation. Apologies. Interesting. Decent has drag. Decent has drag, okay. Do you think Gemini could answer that? Drag cars? Okay, I'm not gonna waste my time on this. Are you in college? Yes, university. At this point, bro is so annoyed by us. On one point, I am. On one part, I am. But on the other part, it's fun to have conversation. It's fun to fun to talk. I feel like it kind of calms my brain down. You feel me? You feel me, fam? Potassium tertiary butoxide. Important facts. It's a strong base? Ah, it's a bulky, poor nucleophile. I was right on that. But I did not know it was a strong base. Tertiary butanol. Polar protic. But more importantly, it is the solvent used with potassium tertiary butoxide. The reagent is much more important than the solvent in this question. Yo, no way, no hope. You're also doing organic chemistry? I have the exam tomorrow. You're doing organic chemistry alcohol. Interesting. What do you mean alcohol? Like reactions? Or is it like you're memorizing alcohol functional group? Where do you live? Right now, I am currently residing in a country called Austria. Austria. If you know history, you know Austria. You know Österreich. Apple Watch is spying on me. The watch is spying on me. I should sue Apple. I should sue this stupid company. Reactions. Oh, okay. Alcohol reactions. Interesting. Right now, I'm not going for any specific topic. I'm just gonna preparation methods of alcohol. Ah, are you in university or something? Because I don't think that's taught in school. Do you have an exam? What's going on with the preparation method of alcohol? No hope on 100. Good YouTube name. YouTube. Study hard, boy. Study you too. Study hard, boy. Respect. No, bro. JEE. Ah, JEE. Okay. I mean the air kilometer. Air kilometer is high and produces drag at ground. We leave like if we are about 3,000 feet. Air kilometer per hour is low. Air kilometer per hour is high and produces drag at the ground. We leave like if we are at about 30,000 feet from the air. Kilometer per hour is low. What do you mean by we live 30,000 feet above air? Is it like common knowledge? By 2:09 p.m. to soja no hope. Hi FX Uri. हाँ भाई सो रहा हो कल कोचिंग जाना है बहुत अच्छा भाई साहब पढ़ना बहुत the fact that I don't know what that Hindi word means, I feel stupid. Mahatvapuram. Yo, I never heard that word. Bro fainted while trying to speak Hindi. Yo. Aham? Zaruri. Yeah, zaruri. That's the word. Yep. Zaruri. Padhai bahut zaruri hai bhai sahab. Bahut zaruri. Mera pyara desavasiyo. 1 hour? Okay. I did not faint. My brain was just looking for the word. Zaruri. Zaruri. Bahut zaruri hai bhai. Which beta hydrogen is removed? The solvent is bleh, and the predicted reaction bleh. Which hydrogen is removed? This is the next step. Wait, so you're saying it could be either elimination or SN1. There's less drag at above 30,000 feet because air is so thin. Okay. So, wait, what was your comment before? Decent has drag. How is that connecting to the less drag for air 30,000 feet above? Did you say something else? You know what? I know I'm stupid, so my brain takes a lot of time to understand things. So what it did was it replaced bromine. So that's substitution, that's not elimination. It proceeded with substitution. No, it did not. It was elimination. It was elimination. It's elimination. And it resulted in a double bond. Okay, it resulted in a double bond. Okay. Don't worry, bro. It's okay. I guess so. Can you identify the beta carbons in 1-bromo? I can't identify beta carbon right now. No, I can't identify beta. How do you beta carbon right now? And from my professor, it's undergoing elimination reaction. Forms oh. I should do a round of coke though. Wait, let me just do some coke. Good, your professor's answer already confirms that this is an elimination, so let's understand why and then identify the beta carbons. Alpha carbon directly attached to the leaving group Br. Okay, that's the alpha carbon. Alpha carbon, and we got 2 beta carbons. Beta, oh, 3 beta carbon, okay. All 3 directly bonded. What happens to E2? The base KT removes beta hydrogen. It removes the beta hydrogen, and we got 3 beta hydrogen, but These are CH2, while this one is 3. I feel like this could be removed faster. Yeah. Superwog, bro, you are still live streaming? Well, it's been only 1 hour though. It's not like I continuously streamed. I wish I did. I wish I did stream continuously. So this is the major product. This hydrogen, attacking this hydrogen is gonna be major product. How's the reaction proceeded? What do you mean 1 hour? It's been like 6 hours. No way. No way. You don't know. If I was streaming for 6 hours, I would have already been banned. Just kidding, but I know I'm not been streaming for 6 hours. Oh. I got scared, right? I got scared there. Oh, yo, was I really streaming for 6 hours? Did I forgot to turn the stream off? No. Oh. What are doing? Me doing prepare for exam tomorrow. Exam tomorrow, me prepare doing exam, me organic prepare 1 hour right now today in 1 hour. Me prepare. Can pass me exam tomorrow? Maybe pass tomorrow, maybe? Could pass tomorrow? Don't know for sure tomorrow. Are you from India? You got it right. You got it right. Which exam? NEET? No. Oh. No. Oh. No, it's just a university exam. Banned for live streaming too long? Don't worry about it. Superwog, don't worry about it. You are from Pakistan. Well, I'm from the neighboring country. Respect. Respect, respect. Yo, this guy's back. What, how it formed double bond? The hydrogen gives its electron. So if I understand this, see, what could it be? Don't worry, it's hardcore drugs. I do really hardcore drugs. None of those childlike. No, hardcore. My hands are getting hot. Yo, no hope. Bro, do you watch FIFA? Not a big FIFA fan though. Nope. I did watch the last game. Not today's, yesterday's. It was Japan versus You're like my uncle acting. Is that a compliment? I mean, I take it as a compliment. Yeah, I did see the yesterday's match. It was, who was it? It was Japan versus Brazil, and it was played on the kitchen. Like I live in a shared kitchen, and everybody played the game in the kitchen. So I was okay. I'll watch it. And Japan failed. Japan lost. But that was a good match. Today, I believe it's between Norway and Costa Rica or some other island. But no, I'm not a big FIFA guy. Brazil. Brazil. Brazil exists. Fuck. An insect. An insect just came to my desk. I wish not to kill you, brother. How old am I? I'm 22, gang. 22. I'm officially unk. Officially unk. Okay, so okay, how is it going? I got an exam tomorrow, goddamn. So, whoa. Yeah. Goes here and oh, what the fuck? Apple. Aromatic compounds? You got it right, my friend. Organic compounds, aromatic compounds. Huvi's back? Yeah, I'm not a big fan of Huvi though. It's kind of weird. EJB, aromatic compounds. Are you studying organic chemistry in some way? Or how is there any relation? Like, how did you just recognize aromatic compounds, gang? So that won't go there. You just got done with your A levels chemistry. Oh, I have an exam tomorrow, and I don't know if I could. So this bond has been absorbed by bromine, and it becomes a leaving group. Am I majoring in chemistry? Close. I'm majoring biological chemistry. No way, I'm acting like your uncle. Same age? How is it your uncle, bro? That's that's not uncle, bro. It was a joke that I got angst at. Everything about chemistry looks complicated. Maybe at first it could look complicated, but the more you read, I guess it makes sense. And that statement is not just for chemistry. I think for everything, the more time you spend, the more you understand. Oh, wisdom. Wisdom. So that forms OH. And this one reacts with K plus, right? Yep. KBr. So there's three possible places where the double bond could form. C1, Yeah, but like the formulas and everything. 100 messages. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot to memorize. I'm still nowhere close to an average student. I'm really below average student. I passed some of the exams for my university, but my knowledge is like nowhere close for research. Like for real. By the way, what's your name? My name's Crackdom. That's my YouTube name. My real name would be Josh Abraham. Don't tell me that's your uncle's name. Don't tell me. That's gonna be even weird. That's gonna be like multiverse type shit. Fuck, I can't even draw aromatic rings. There is a chemistry major guy, right? Where is this? So EJB, are you chemistry major or planning to major on chemistry? I don't see Huvu messages on my screen, but see it on the screen. I know some weird stuff like that happened. I also don't know why is that like that. I don't think he got banned though. Or he or she, I don't know if this person got banned. I'll be right back, man. Of course. And the fact you checked out the stream means a lot, gang. If the bulky based nucleophile is attacking other carbon, it's so the hydrogen is gonna donate its electron and it's gonna go with this. No. It's gonna donate it to the bond. And it's gonna go here. The bromine is gonna take it. How much money do you have? I'm curious. Whoa. That's a really personal question. Let's just say it's 2 digits, okay? 2 digits. It's under 2 digits. Yeah, I'm proud of it. I know. Phew. But hey, at least I paid my rent. That's good. Just say it. All right, maybe like 70 euros. I think that's good. That's cool. 70 euros. That's not hard. That's kind of hard to make that much money. Okay, it's not easy to save 70 euros. Okay, okay. That's a lot of money. 70 euros. You can't just. I should stop talking. If that happens, then this is gonna look like this. Okay, we are. Guess how old am I? Yo, I don't know. I'm guessing you're a teenager. I don't know. 17, 16, 14, 12. At this point, everyone on, like, all age groups are on the internet, unless you're in UK. In UK, you need to be 16 to get into the internet, or you have to use your parents' account. Methylene cyclohexane. That's the name. Methylene cyclohexane. So, what's the name? Name of the reagent. Name of the reagent is potassium tertiary butoxide. Tertiary. Jujutsu Kaisen. Okay. Okay, bro. You know what? I think it's time to end the stream. You're 12 and you have $130 and spend your money to buy some V-Bucks. V-Bucks. That's Fortnite, right? Ugh. Fortnite? That's a good game, though. No offense to the video game, okay? Man spent $130 for V-Bucks. No. Oh. Bro took it back. But hey, I did not know 12-year-olds could use YouTube. I did not know 12-year-olds has money. How do you get money? I just buy 2,500 V-Bucks. Don't make me puke, bro. V-Bucks, I'm guessing that's a currency on Fortnite. 12-year-old got $130. So nothing. It's all good, fam. It's all good. Okay, I'm gonna end this stream and I'm gonna start with thermodynamics, cause it should be 1 hour. I think it's past 1 hour. So respect, gang. Respect. Peace.